All right, guys, what is going on? Hope you guys are having another great day. We are here up at the shop. We pulled the transmission out of the car yesterday, and we're just getting ready. I was actually doing some editing there, shipping some LS Nasty merch out. What are you doing not wearing an LS Nasty hat?
I had to give it a break for a day. I wore it for like a month straight.
That's ridiculous. Ryan's got it on there. Ryan, where could you find that hat?
In the merch link below.
Wow, we're training you well. So we got a 5'3" sitting here, and then we got the whole LS Nasty crew. And we got Josh over here. Josh, what's going on? So you were stopping by and you took a peek, and we got some cars here, and we figured, hey, might as well go for a ride, right?
Absolutely.
Can't not. We're going to stuff you in the car here, strap you in, and we'll give it a good old ripperino down the street, and you're going to be the first true ride-along reaction in this car because we stuck Ryan in there, but he's like a girl, so he screams at everything. So this will be the first true reaction, and yeah, it should be fun. So let's get suited up. Or at least we're not suiting up. Let's get strapped in and go for a ride.
Yes, it's like a very fat man in a little car.
Oh, it'll get you in there like swimwear. All right. Well, let's fire it up. So we'll go for a little cruise down there first. Make some cool turbo noises, then we'll turn around, we'll hammer it one time, and then we'll try to launch her.
There you go.
What's the fastest thing you've been in?
It was old 5.0.
Okay.
Yeah, that's what we need.
As a cop goes by.
He had a 351 in it.
All right.
But it was pretty quick, not like this, I'm guessing, but
It's a little bit quicker. Yeah, I hope at least. I hope. But you were saying you're a military guy?
Yeah.
You're a paratrooper?
Yeah.
Oh, well, I appreciate your service.
No problem, man.
Hopefully this will be just 1/10 as thrilling as jumping out of an airplane. So right now it makes about 4 pounds of boost, just normal, which isn't much. When I turn it up, it'll make about 10 or 11. But I'll show you what 4 pounds feels like. It makes a lot of noise.
4 pounds is pretty nice.
4 pounds is a little fun.
I like that.
That's just tipping into it a little bit. These poor neighbors have been doing this way too much lately.
I'm sure they love y'all.
I don't think they have a choice. So just turn it up, make it a little bit more power now.
Oh man, that's freaking sweet.
Feels a little bit more exciting there, huh?
That's awesome right there, man. How many horsepower is this thing running?
Right, something like that's probably making about 750, 800. And but that's just we're just tipping into it there. We'll make upwards of high 20s into the 30s pounds boost. That's when it'll really come to life. So
That's great.
we'll see since we got the tires warm if we can get it to hook up at all. We'll do a little launch here on the street, little launch. Now, the trick is to get back before the cops come.
Right. Yeah, no, I'd be dead or in jail. That's freaking sweet, man.
It gets me, too.
Christ.
It gets me.
Oh, that's freaking sweet, man.
Like that, we were back in one piece. It's always successful when we come back in one piece.
Always a successful run when you're back in one piece.
Well, I hope you enjoyed it. It was the first real reaction video in the car.
Appreciate it, man. That's freaking nasty. Oh my god.
Dude, I can't stop laughing.
Oh.
Huh? That wasn't just nasty, it was LS nasty. This has got to stop. Every time I come over here, I'm like, man, I'm just going to edit. I'm just going to edit. I'm going to ship out some shirts. And last time, Ben and I were riding around. Oh, man, that's too much fun. So what'd you think overall, like on a 1 to 10 scale? What do you rate it?
Definitely have to say it's right up there with skydiving.
That's good. That's exactly what we were going for with this thing. So I think just imagine when it's on 20 pounds.
Yeah, that's nice.
Yeah, he said he had it on like 8.
Yeah, it'll take you to a whole nother dimension.
If you get it up to 88, you might even go back in time.
That's right. That's right.
I think around 88 by the first driveway right there.
Yeah, no, we were. Whew.
He was scooting.
I was like looking over the wheel. I'm like, hope no one's pulling out of the car wash. Like this thing will drive them off real quick. So no.
Car when you went by just
Pulled off by the cemetery?
Oh no, I was on the brakes.
But I thought that was the cop.
No, it feels good. Even like when you run it on gate, it feels good. But then when you flip the switch, you're like, see, honestly, it's bad because I could just stay in the throttle for about an hour. It feels that good. Yeah. Guys, everything that you just saw was done on a private closed road. So don't worry, no need to call the police. We're out here in Mexico, so they don't care anyways. So this is a quick little spontaneous video. I like these, where they just come out of nowhere, you know. This keeps stuff fresh, that's for sure. So do want to thank you guys for watching. Like always, comment, like, subscribe. Go down and get some LS Nasty merch, like Ryan said before. Where can you find it, Ryan?
The merch link below.
He's good. He is good. So we'll see you guys next time.